常用的机场英文
Departure,
出境
Arrival,
入境
Passport,
护照
Visa,
签证
Check-in,
登机手续
Terminal,
航下
Transfer,
转机
Gate,
登机门
One-way ticket,
单程机票
Round-trip ticket,
往返机票
Checked bags,
托运行李
Carry-on bags,
随身行李
I would like to check in.
Where are you flying to today?
I am going to Mexico.
May I have your passport and visa, please?
Sure, here you go.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Do you have any checked bags?
Yes, I have one suitcase and one carry-on bag.
Your flight departs at 10. Boarding begins at 9:30 from gate 16B. Your seat number is 28C. Have a nice flight.
Okay, thank you.